RAETTS 3-stage maglev compression water source heat pump utilizes treated wastewater as a heat source to generate 80 to 90 degrees C hot water, achieving a dual effect synergy between wastewater waste heat reuse and sludge drying. Currently we are at a wastewater treatment plant, using our RAETTS heat pump to recover waste heat from the wastewater. Now is in summer. The temperature of the recycled wastewater is approximately 30 degrees C. We recover this waste heat to produce 85 degrees C hot water, which is then supplied to the sludge drying equipment. Let's take a look at this heat pump performance. 100 filtered heating capacity. Motor power is 1.3 to kW. COP for 0.0. Refrigerant type is R2 for 5 FA. Inlet water temperature is 30 degrees Celsius and outlet water temperature is 85 degrees Celsius. Now the outlet water temperature has reached 82 degrees C, and the evaporation temperature is 22 degrees C. This is our fully enclosed 3-stage maglev compression heat pump, currently operating at full speed. Our design allows for some margin, but since our customers require larger loads, so we've opened up the option to increase the speed. RAETTS 3-stage maglev compression heat pump, independently designed and developed by RAETTS R&D team, is the world's first 3-stage maglev compression heat pump. Its current temperature rise reaches 66 degrees C, and we are currently developing a 4-stage maglev compressor with a temperature rise of 75 degrees C. Whether you're in wastewater treatment, food processing, chemical manufacturing, or heavy industry, RAETTS provide the perfect evac solution tailored to your needs. Let's discuss.